helicopter is standing range.
I feel like there's a robber.
Yo, what's up? Hello!
Oh my god!
What's up, Ryan Musa? Teamers.
Check out Ryan Musa Vlog! Check out!
Zoom in on that.
Check out Ryan Musa Vlogs! What's that, dude?
Hello! What the heck? I don't even know what's happening right now, guys. I don't know. Is it going Mayday or something?
What is this?
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday! Crashes.
Okay, it's rising now.
We good, guys. We good.
Way too close. Is there like a robber or
It's been
something?
there for a while. No, it's a public helicopter.
Look how far. It's a what?
It's a private helicopter.
Why was it private? What do you mean?
I mean, it's not a police helicopter.
Oh, so someone owns that?
Bro!
Stop, Ryan.
What's that, dude?
So that is it.
Yeah,
I'm just trying to have my arm stay up here.
trying to have my phone.
This is something to remember forever. Peace.